Hello everyone, I am Manas and I will try to help all those who are interested in solving the Rubik's Cube, which is also called as the 3 into 3 cube. So first of all, let me introduce the main methods to solve the cube and then we'll focus on the beginner's method. There are many ways to solve the Rubik's Cube, but the most famous one is the Friedrich method for speed solving, which can enable us to solve the cube in average 17 seconds and below. Then there are other methods like ZZ method, etc. We will focus on the beginner's method in this video. So let's begin with it. It's highly recommended that you have your cube with you while watching and also take screenshots or note the algorithms and pictures which may appear on the screen. The steps for solving the cube are cross, first layer, second layer, top cross, top face, last layer edges, and orienting the centers. Please refer to the pics. I hope they will give a good idea of what we are going to do. Now let's perform the steps and solve the cube. For performing the algorithms and steps, certain notations need to be introduced, which are right, R, R dash or RI for right inverse or right anticlockwise. The similar is for L left, F front, U up, D down and B behind or back. The pics will depict the notations. Please note that cube must not be rotated while doing algorithms at all. The scramble here for my cube is okay, so the first step is to choose a base color and make a cross. In this video, I'll choose white as my base color and make a cross as shown. Please check that all pieces are joined in such a way that they have same colors here on the face as well as on the side face. So here we have our cross done and we can move to the next step, that is the base layer. Now we must find the corners having white color, bring them to appropriate positions and insert them like this, such that the cross is not disturbed. Please watch carefully and follow the same steps so that your base now looks like this. Now we shall move to the third step, that is the second layer. For this, we must invert the cube as I am doing it and find a piece that fits in this region. For example, this piece. Bring it to this color and perform the displayed algorithm. Note the algorithm and learn it. With practice and time, you will be able to find the logic behind it. Do the same for all four edges and your cube will now look like this. Now we must make the top yellow cross. For this, there are only three cases possible, all of which are shown with their algorithms, and I'll execute one of them for example and as a part of solution to my current scramble. Now after the execution of algorithm which were just shown and hopefully noted by you, the cube must look like this. Now we must complete the last phase and for that we'll again use some algorithm and I'll do one like last time. Please pause the video and take your time while doing algorithms. Now we will proceed towards our second last step and solve the last layer edges as the algorithm says, and I too will perform one of it. Finally, we would orient these center pieces and complete the cube. Again identify your case and apply the algorithm. Your cube must be solved after the algorithm. Congratulations for solving it. Please do not feel that you saw the solution and solved it, as a very few people have been able to solve the cube themselves with their own methods. You may now practice solving the cube and memorize the steps and algorithm, and within a few months you may be able to solve the cube like this solve of mine. So thank you for your interest in solving the 3 by 3 cube and your time and patience. Please check out my channel for more videos and please like this video if it was helpful. Thank you.